And it's not unusual to feel unwell on holiday, as a change in the food and water you're used to, mixed with increased temperatures, can all have an effect. But please contact your customer helper straight away if you think it's something more than that.
Remember, we're here for you around the clock every day of the week. You may not come across it, but please watch out for touts in your local resort.
Please, take care before giving your personal information away.
And if you get ill or are approached by touts, please speak to your Jet2 Holidays customer helper or hotel management right away.
We're sure you can't wait to explore. That's why we've put together some top tips and info about where you're staying in the information guide in your hotel.
It's got all the famous attractions and local cuisine to try. Your friendly customer helper will have lots of great info to share with you too. They live and work in the resort, so they're really knowledgeable local experts.
They offer regular visits at scheduled times, so it's easy to see them with any questions. There are also welcome meetings at selected hotels, so please check this in your welcome pack, on the Jet2 Holidays notice board, or information book in your hotel.
An even easier way to uncover all the attractions in your resort is with our popular Jet2 experiences. Our hand-picked collection features everything. Wonderful water parks and market shopping afternoons to history-stuffed full-day tours and evening shows.
We've put together a booklet with all the info, so see what you fancy, then speak to your customer helper to book a trip. They've tried and tested them all, so they can give you their recommendations too.
When it comes to going home, you'll find your transfer pickup details, the Jet2 Holidays notice form, and information guide at your hotel or in our app. These will be shown 72 hours before your departure.
Please arrive 5 minutes before your transferring day. Just like in the UK, traffic, road closures and other unforeseen circumstances can happen, so please wait for the full duration for us to pick you up.
Want to make your holiday extra easy? Just download the Jet2 Holidays app for all your holiday info on the go in one handy place.
That includes a digital version of your welcome pack, your return transfer details, flight information, 24/7 support and more.
That's almost a hassle.
Remember, while you're on holiday, you can show off a little. We love to see what you're getting up to, so use hashtag Jet2View when you post on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram.
Your driver will let you know when you've reached your hotel. Please don't forget to take a look around and pick up all of your belongings before you get off the coach. From the entire team at Jet2 Holidays,
Have a lovely holiday.